In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change who can see pages you follow on Facebook. Alright, so first things first, I'm just opening up Facebook here and getting into my account. Once you're in, take a look at the screen and head straight to your profile. I'm clicking on my profile icon so I can get to my personal page where all the account related options are available. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm going to look around for the settings area. You'll want to find the section labeled settings and privacy, so I'm clicking that. It usually drops down a menu, and from there you'll see a few options. I'm selecting settings and privacy to continue. Once that menu expands, I'm going to move into tools and resources. I'll click on that, and this is where Facebook groups a lot of the controls together. It might take a moment to load, but that's totally normal. Just give it a second. Now that I'm in the tools and resources area, I'm scrolling or looking through the available options until I see default audience settings. This is the part where Facebook lets you control who can see certain types of activity tied to your account. I'm clicking on default audience settings to open it up. At this point, Facebook may show a few prompts or categories, and I'm selecting the option that appears, then clicking next to move forward. Just follow along with what's shown on your screen here, since it can sometimes vary slightly depending on your account layout or updates. Now we're getting closer. I'm going to click on the section that says who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. This is the specific setting we're looking for, and once I click it, I'll be able to adjust the visibility. After clicking that, I'm presented with a few audience options. This is where you decide who can actually see the pages you follow. I'm selecting the option that fits what I want, whether that's public, friends, or another available setting. Take a moment here to choose whatever works best for your preference. Once I've made my selection, I'm going ahead and clicking save to apply the changes. This step is important because it actually locks in the new visibility setting. Without saving, the changes won't take effect. And that's pretty much it. At this point, your settings should be updated, and the people you've selected will now determine who can see the pages and lists you follow. You can always go back and adjust this again later using the same steps if you ever want to change it in the future.